Alrighty, little changes again. Ta-da! New door and handle. New door handle. Got to bog it all up and paint it, and take out the little screw holes, and voila. Yeah, that sticks out a little bit, see, like that, so it stops the gaps. And voila, it's got a key that you can put in it. And yeah, got a little bit of work to do yet. Hey, working on it, bro. Still keeping it real. Right, I better get to the sanding and that though. I'm going to put that, these are only $10, those black angles. $10 for 1.8, I think that is, I'm not sure. But yeah, put it across the top, sort of like that up there. Yeah, and marry it all up. And make it look pretty, get rid of everything, paint everything. It's pretty much going to be fiberglass and then black on the outside, I would say. That's what I'm thinking, but yeah. Right, see all those little patches? Going to take all those patches out soon, so yeah. So I'll get back to you. Audio.